Welcome to Corporate Excel Experts. Today we are going to teach you a formula of Excel. The formula is if. So it's a very important, very useful formula in Excel. So let's learn this today. So on the left hand side we have a sample salary database where we have three columns: employee name, employee's age, and employee salaries. And we have taken the same names here as well to put our if formula and bring out the result. So so let's begin with the formula. So the question is here, if formula condition 1. So what is the condition 1 here is salary is more than 35,000. So if the employee salary is more than 35,000, then it should show the result as yes, or else it should show the result as no. So let's start the formula. If so, the logical test, if something is true or a condition we are going to give, so that is called as logical test. And what is value if true? Value if true means if the logical test passes, then what is the result you want to see? That is called value if true. So if the logic fails or logic doesn't match, then what is the value you want to see? That is called value if false. So let's begin with the formula. So I'm going to give a logic as, so I'm going to select D12 where we have the salary amount is more than 35,000. So this is our logic. If the value is in D12 is more than 35,000, then what is the value you want to see, or what is the text you want to see here? So I'm going to give, make sure whenever you are typing a text, you always need to type that in inverted commas, because if you don't use inverted comma, it will be throwing an error. So you make sure you're putting the text in inverted comma. So you can just type yes. Value if false. If the condition is not true, then the value I want here is no. Close the bracket. Make sure after logical test you are giving a comma here. Then value if true comes, here we have given s, then comma. Then after that, value if false, we have given the result, it should show as no. So hit enter. Here you can see salary for Mark is $40,000. So that is why it is showing the result as yes. So just drag the formula here. Here you can see these two people have less than 35,000 US dollars as their salary. So the result is no here. And for these four people, it is more than 35,000. So the result is showing as yes. Okay, so that is how we have used if formula in condition 1. So let's say we have to include one more formula inside if. So how do we do it? So you can see here the second condition here we are going to put is if formula condition 2. Two formulas in, first one is if, and inside that you need to use one more formula. So what we need, what is the result we need, what is the final result we want here is show the salary amount if the person's salary is more than 35,000. So let's bring that. So how are we going to do is equals if, so the condition remains the same, which is this is more than 35,000, comma, value if true, if that person's salary is more than 35,000, then I'm going to give VLOOKUP formula here because I need to find out the salary of that person. Can select Mark here, the lookup value, select the table array here, make sure you freeze the cell by pressing F4 button. You just have to select this and you need to press F4 here so that it gets freezed. Why we freeze this for the range is the range should not get moved when we copy paste the formula down. So that is the reason we freeze the formulas. So you just need to select this like this and then you need to press F4. So once you've done that, you make sure that you can see the dollar symbol here. That means it is freezed. Comma, column index number is nothing but in the array which we have selected. So in that array, in which column you have the result which you want to see. So this is our array here we have selected, and we need salary to be displayed as our result. So the salary is in the third column of our array. So I'm going to give 1, 2, 3, third column of our array. I'm going to give 3 here. So 0. Right. So we have used VLOOKUP formula way to show value if true. If the value is true, if D12 is more than 35,000, use VLOOKUP. If the value in D12 is not more than 35,000, then use this. So what I'm going to give is no. It means if the value in D12 is not more than 35,000, then it's showing us the result as, it will be showing us the result as no. Hit enter. Just drag the formula down so that it can apply for all the employees. Here is the result. As you can see, it is displaying the salary amount for 4 people whose salary is more than 35,000, and the people who have their salary less than 35,000, for them it is displaying no here. So this is how you can use a formula inside if formula, so that it is very useful. Like, this is not exactly how you need to use. This is one of the example we are giving you, but you can use different formulas and different thing in under if formula. You can use multiple formulas. So today we have showed you two conditions. One is a simple if formula, how you need to, with a logical test, what is the if value is true, and what you need if the value is false. And the second condition, we have used one more formula inside the if formula. So we have given the same logical test. If the value is true, it should show, we have given another formula there to look up for their salary, and if the value is false, it should display as no. So that is what we have done here. Hope you find this video useful. Please put your comment if you want to give any feedback. If you like the video, hit subscribe button and like the video. Thank you all.